backwards in it.
Good job, Addison.
Oh, look at her. Yay, good girl.
Oh, be careful. No eating the chair.
Grandpa never chewed his chair.
She's like, Grandpa might have been a little older when he got this.
I don't know. Grandpa was a tiny one time. I still couldn't find booger wipes down here. They don't make booger wipes down here. I found toy wipes.